Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we are going to solve the daily problem from Leetcode. So given a string containing digits from 2 to 9 inclusive, written all the possible letter combination that the number could represent. Return the answer in any order. Okay, so whenever I heard a letter or word called combination, my instinct goes for backtracking. A reason being that I have done many Leetcode questions and I am aware, like whenever they're asking for number of combination or possible combination, most definitely they are going to ask you about backtracking, like if you know a backtracking technique. Or some of them can be like backtracking, but it's like a recursive format. So I think we should be using that, but let's get to it. So here we are given, like if you see in the example, we are given digits equals to 2 3. That means we are looking at 2 3 letters, so A B C and D E F. Those are in combination and therefore the outputs contain those letters. And it also tells us, note that 1 does not map to any letter, so we don't need to care about 1. So this is my final result and this is the output. Now let's map what's given. So let's see. So that's how we map things. This is going to be a recursive. Why? Because we are going for, like, if we have 2, then we are going for 2's letter, that is ABC, and then in the next loop, in the next call stack, we'll be going for 3's letters. So that's how we will build our combination. So we will be using, I'm just using backtrack as a keyword, but let's see how this goes. So this we'll be calling backtrack, and this is how we will be defining our backtrack. So now what I'm thinking here is we will be having 2 arguments, one being the first argument being the current combination, and the next argument would be the digits we still have to recurse. So this will be like digits we have right now, and this is how the parameters look like, combination, and this is like the total digits we have. So it is very much clear that if we are no longer having any digits, we need to return something. But what we need to return? We need to return this list. We need to append. We don't need to return anything. We just need to append the combination, the current combination we are working with. We need to append that to our result list. And now the core logic would be to go through each letter in that digits. Okay, so phone, and this is like the total digits, but we'll be looking at the, we'll be like, for instance, we'll be looking at the 2 number. So phone, and which is having the 2 keywords, that means we are looking at ABC here, and therefore our first letter would be A, and first letter should be A, then we are just appending to this string, and this is going to be A, and every time we will be considering digit 3. So in the next call stack, this will be 3 and this is like A, right? So when there's 3, so it will skip this, it will have here, and for phone 3 we have DEF, so we will going for ADAEAF. That's how the call stack work. And for previous call stack, we will now be having B, and for the next call stack we'll be having BDBEBF. I think I'm pretty sure that will help you visualize how this solution work. Yeah, so I think we're done with this question. Let me just run it, but I just need to go through every examples we have. Okay, so we have this one edge case where digits can be empty, We don't have really considered here. So this is going to be just one case. So we'll be just declaring here that it will be the result would be an empty list. And here is the digits 2. So for 2, we will be going here 2. Combination will be empty for the first time, and then 2 will be skipping this because we are having 2, and then 2 will be having A and A, B, C. A will go here, A, and then this is going to be an empty, so your rest will be A, then B, and then C. So yeah, let's run it. Yeah, as you can see, the solution works perfectly, and let's submit it. Yep, so it's working fine. So as you can see here, I have solved this question many times, and I love combinations questions every time. Okay, so now it's beating 84. So it just depends on how the servers of Leetcode are right now. But yeah, hope you guys like this explanation, and please comment down below if you want to have this series on this channel. So hope you guys have a good day ahead. Bye.